So, what we're going to talk about is triangles. And as I said before, triangles are very special polygons because there's only three sides. You don't have a lot of flexibility. You're pretty well constricted as to what you can do with the triangle, and that frees you up to do a lot of analysis and do a lot of uh, build a lot of knowledge around triangles. Triangles are really fascinating. So in this particular case, we're going to say if you got two triangles and one triangle has two angles that are the same as another triangle, so if two angles are the same as two angles, the third angle must be the same as the third angle. So that's your first rule. Two angles are two angles. Two angles are equal to two angles. The third angles must be equal to each other. Therefore, those two triangles are similar. Similar means they look the same, but they're not the same size. When you look at similarity, you're looking at the angles a lot of times. Okay? So if this angle over here is equal to this angle over here, and this angle over here is equal to this angle over here, these two angles must be equal to each other. And similarity is that little tilde sign right over there. That's similarity. If you talk about triangles, you have to use your triangle symbol. You're not going to write triangle ABC. You're going to say triangle ABC. Where would you get that triangle? I would go to Greece. Here's my Greek letters, and there's my delta. And delta is, well, it's right down there. It's smaller than heck. But delta is my my triangle sign. Okay, if I wanted to say delta triangle ABC, that's what I would do, triangle ABC. You can barely see that. I don't know why this is so small. Okay. Problems. I love technology. Are these similar? This is 75, this is 75, this is 50, this is 50, this is X, this is Y. If they have two pairs of congruent angles, the third ones must be congruent. So yes, they must be similar. Here we have a 54 and a 63. I have a 63 to 63. Is that one equal to 63? Is that one equal to 54? So that means that angle over there is 63. So that one must be 54. Okay? We didn't know what that angle was. We didn't know what that angle was. So we just solved for one of them. And so that means X is equal to 63. So you have a 63, 63. You have a 63, 63 over here. Yes, they must be similar. Last one. X is going to be equal to 48. That means this, if this is 48, there's no way these two angles over here are going to be equal to these two. Because I got a 48, 42, I've got a 38. There's no way that's going to be a, well, it can't. You've already lost it because you have one set of angles that are not the same. Already, you know it's not similar. Okay? Are these similar? You have a 43x right over here. So 58 plus 43 plus x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 79. And there is no 79 over here. There's no way there's going to be a 79 over here. So the answer is no. Second one. So 48 plus 52 plus x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 80. So now you have an 80, 52, 48. And over here you have an 80, 52. That must be equal to that one because you have two angles that are equal. The third angle must be equal. Yes, it is similar. Last one. This x over here. So you have x plus 43 plus 90. That's supposed to be a 90, sorry. Is equal to 180. That means that x over here is equal to 47. So yes, You got a 47, you got a 90. Over here, you got a 47, you got a 90. The third angles must be equal. Yes, they're similar. Great.